Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, this is going to be a do-it-yourself knotless braid tutorial. Now knotless braids are really in trend right now. Personally, when I was looking around to find somebody to do it, because I didn't really feel like doing my hair myself, it was like $200, like almost $300. So I was like, let me just do some research, look on YouTube and see if I can actually just do them myself. So this is what it ended up looking like, and it came out really well, if I do say so myself, for it being my first time ever doing these. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I used, the type of hair, the type of styling products that I used to achieve this look. And these are the medium knotless braids that I did. I could have done them smaller, but I kind of didn't want to be sitting there doing my hair for a long time. In total, this took me about like 8 hours to do, so that's not bad at all. I actually felt like I was going pretty darn fast, so hopefully this video helps you guys to do the knotless braids, because honestly, after a week, your hair already starts looking frizzy. So if you're able to do them yourself and save some money, you should just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to show you guys everything you need to do these knotless braids. So the type of hair that I use is the Rua pre-stretched braiding hair, and this is in 24 inches. This is what the packaging looks like. You guys can see. So it comes with, like, let me just go ahead and take this out. So the color that I chose was 1B27. So this is what the hair looks like. It has that kind of ombre going on. This is what it looks like, and it comes in 3 little bundles. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did, because I'm not actually going to use this pack. I'm going to save it for later. But I just went ahead and cut the rubber band off. And you know how sometimes when you're using hair, you cut it in middle to have more? But you don't need to do that. I just went ahead and took tiny little pieces without cutting it in half. So you just use it as is, because it's already pre-stretched and you don't need to cut it. That kind of defeats the purpose. In total, like for my whole head, and you guys know I have like a lot of hair, so in total I only used 2 packs, so that's good. These were $5.99 each. If you live in Florida or Miami, you can go to the Super Beauty Me hair store, and they have like a bunch of different types of hair. If you don't want to get the pre-stretched hair, I believe it's like 99 cents or something for the regular hair, so you could also do that. But this is the type of hair that I used, and I used 2 packs of this. All right, so the next thing, so that's the type of hair that you're going to be using. The next thing that you need is you need a kind of jam or something, edge control or something, to kind of like hold down the hair, or kind of put around the edges where you're going to be braiding, so it looks nice and neat. The type that I use is this Shine and Jam conditioning gel, and this is the extra hold. So this is what it looks like. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it says that it's the #1 choice for braiders. So my sister actually told me to buy this one for her, so I just went ahead and bought it because I figured it would be good. And then last and not least, you need a rat tail comb to help you get like really precise and straight parts. Now to get like really clean parts, you want to put the Shine and Jam conditioning gel down on like the part first, or you can make the part and then go over it with the jam, and then you take your comb and kind of clean up the part. It makes it easier to kind of get a clean part once the jam is applied to that part, if that makes sense to you guys. And then last thing you need is some clips, just to kind of hold everything in place. Now with my box braids, my sister did help me with the parting. Thank you, Valerie. So that was a big plus for me. So my parts are kind of like pretty good for the most part, because I wanted it to look good if I was doing my own knotless braids. So it came out pretty good. So that's basically all the information that you need, everything that you need in order to do these knotless braids yourself. So let's get into the video. So I've already had these braids in for a little over a week. I'm just going to go ahead and redo the front so I can show you guys the steps and how to do it. So one side I already started, and this is the side that we're going to be focusing on along with this one piece from that other section. So I'm using the Shine and Jam, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the roots of that section just to kind of make sure everything is nice and neat and moisturized. A lot of people do this so that they can have a clean looking braid from the beginning all the way down to the end. So for each section, I use 4 pieces of hair. So this is what you see right here. It's crinkly because I just took them down and reused them again. But you're going to go ahead and section your hair off into 3 pieces as I did, and then braid once and then braid again. And then that's when I normally like to start adding the hair. So I'll just go ahead and braid twice, a regular braid, and then I'll add in the hair. So I'm just going to try and show you guys as clear as I can. I'm going to take that piece and I'm just going to tuck it underneath that one piece and then have one piece of that hair to the middle and then the other one to the right side and start to braid. And then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing over and over again. Add that piece to the middle and then just continue to braid. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. It didn't take me that long to go ahead and figure out this technique, so hopefully it's easy for you guys as well. But yeah, you're just going to basically keep adding in those pieces, braid down a little bit, and then continue to add in those pieces. And again, I did use 4 pieces of hair for each section, and I only used 2 packs of the braiding hair. So I just keep braiding all the way down. That is, I believe, my last piece. And I'm just going to go ahead and braid it all the way down to the ends. And I do have another video of me braiding my hair like this, but to seal the ends, you're just going to go ahead and boil some water and then just dip the ends inside. Make sure you're not putting that water all the way up to where your real hair meets because you don't want to be burning your actual hair. So I just went ahead and dipped the ends to seal everything in. So this is what it's looking like. It's coming out so good for it to be my first time. And look, I was feeling myself. But yeah, this is a super convenient hairstyle, especially now during this time when everybody is locked up inside and there's nothing really to do. You can go ahead and do this. So yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and just braid down twice. So 1... and then again, 2. And then I'm going to start adding the hair in. So you're going to go ahead and add the hair in and then braid down a little more as well and then add the hair in again. And it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. In total, this only took me 8 hours to do and I was moving pretty fast. I did medium size knotless braids, but you guys can do whatever size you like, but it did take me 8 hours and my sister did help me with the parting. But yeah, overall this is a pretty easy hairstyle if you want to do it yourself. So this is what it's looking like after I redid that front section. So I hope this tutorial really helped you guys. If you don't really want to go ahead and spend all that money for somebody else to do it, you can do it yourself. So this is just a close-up of what the braids look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.